Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a project in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From these we can select one that we want to work on. Let's say it's this one. And after we are finished with editing the video, in the top right corner there is an arrow pointing upwards. If we tap on it, it's going to export our video. We can see the loading screen right here. And then we have some options to share with the different kinds of social media. But if you just want to save it, just tap on done, and it is going to be added to our gallery in a separate folder that has been created by the CapCut app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.